alala.
YOLO!
I love the cold, really. I thought it's gonna be uncomfortable, but it's just so great.
Wow.
Ang sarap sa balat. Wait, pinipilit mo.
Ma'am. We're going up there! Mapakita ka naman. Pakita mong minamani mo lang yung pag-akyat.
Hindi na gamitin ko na lang sa bag ko. Padlock ko na lang dyan.
Pwede bang ano, may padlock dito mag-jowa tapos iiwanan na. Love locks. Lahat of love locks. Oh no! Sure ka ba na artista yun? Paano kung hindi siya artista? Hindi kaya yan bumagsak. Mga lawang.
Kaya tinanggal yan dun sa ano yung Germany ba yun? France. Kasi nga pag nangalawang yan, tatamaan mo yung baka.
Diba?
Kaya giniba na yun dun eh, tinigil na.
Fun facts with triples.
Ito ayun.
Kaya nga. Alam mo sinabi. Fun facts with triple. Oh.
Parang maganda yung view dun.
Ay, ito na. It's the tower. Yay, 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 yay. Woo. Against the light. Thank you. We're here in the observation deck. I'm 5,893.33 kilometers away from the North Pole. Pag tumayo ka dito, yung North Pole nandito. Hi! Saan tayo pupunta na?
Tayong dalawa, babes.
Saan tayo pupunta?
Dito, yan.
Screenshot na lang natin.
May curfew daw kasi, pero pag may ganito, papayagan.
Anong may ganito?
Meron silang night passes. So pag may ganito ka, pwede ka pumasok.
Ano yan, ma?
Ito yung satay.
Inita ng tubig.
Ito sa laksa.
Wow.
Ano yun? Rice. Soup. Soup. Yummy.
Be.
Ay, pang ano daw to? Pang sungkit ng ano sa malaking talang. Pang sungkit ng mga nilalagay na sa ng talang. Ito ba o yan?
Parang pala.
Baon yan.
Ano yan? Parang ano? Bento box.
Siguro ilalim sopas, kanin, tula.
Tampo ba?
Is this fine?
Yup.
Okay.
That's mine.
This is
Thanks,
the
Abo. That's mine. I'm gonna keep it.
Amazing.
Parang laboratory nila, no? May ganyan din sa Uste, eh. Sere.
Ito pa ba tayo dyan sa mga yan?
Oo nga, sa palas. Nagagaling lang namin sa
National Palace Museum of Korea.
Ang dami nakahandok. Walang may gusto kasi lahat KJ.
I don't wanna change. Sorry.
Get to the light.
Jumang, where are you?
Oh, you're embarrassing.
Don't want to say yo. Please help.
I'm sure annoying.
Mga artista yan.
Tabo, can you take a pic?
Wait, I'm taking videos.
Tabo, I need to cough.
Sige. Buka, dali.
Dying, dude.
Look at that view. Parang local pub siya, no? Nice. Uy! Tabo! Cheers! Yeah!
That's why we call here Imjingang. And look at this side. 11 o'clock direction, far away. Do you see the mountain? A little bit hazy, but do you see the mountain? North Korea. North Korea mountain. Do you see the bridge? The green bridge. The green bridge name is Unification Bridge. We are going to cross the bridge. And we are getting access to the Siberian counter-line zone for the tunnel and DMZ. You see the cable car, the gondola going to North Korea? No. I hope. No. So this gondola, cable car, for the visitors here. So the cable car go to, do you see their gray building?
Yes.
The behind of the gray building, there is former U.S. Army base, Camp Grievous. So the U.S. Army base here, they put down here very long time ago. So now it's open to the public. So there's a museum, some gallery, the observation to see here. This bridge name is Freedom Bridge. Yeah, we call Freedom Bridge. Why? After the Korean War, we made agreement and let's trade prisoner of war, because during the war, North Korea, they captured many South Korean soldiers and UN soldiers. Also, we captured many North Korean soldiers. So after war, let's trade, exchange prisoner of war. Yes, around 13,000 soldiers came back through this bridge. In North Korea, North Koreans, they don't know what is the freedom. There is no word, freedom. The many defectors live in South Korea. I'll tell you later about this. They say, what is the freedom? So in North Korea, there is no freedom. You know that there is no internet, no Facebook, no YouTube, no Instagram. It's like the isolated country now. So no freedom in North Korea. So when they got here, freedom. But sorry, this is not original one. We built this one temporarily beside of the railway. Because they had to cross the river. So after the exchanging, we explored the original bridge. So now here, we made for tourists. And we call Freedom Bridge. But if you visit JSA, the Panmunjom, there is for the captured North Korean soldiers by the South Korea, the bridge name is No Return Bridge. If they chose to back to North Korea, never return here, no return here. So in JSA, there is no return bridge. And here is, we call Freedom Bridge. But after the war, 30 years later, we had broadcast show to find dispersed family after Korean War now who live in South Korea. Because they lost their family during the war. And 30 years later, when we heard from the broadcasting, they sent some their story. I want to find my mother and sister, brothers. So by the KBS, Korea Broadcast System, we heard some the broadcasting, and the show was a live show for 138 days. And through this show, nearly 11,000 the dispersed families, they could reunion on the stage. But the KBS, they got received 100,000 stories about missing their families. So way is disconnecting now, and this is the last spot between two Koreas, the railway. So the train is old train here, and there is slogan: "Let the iron horse run again." So hopefully someday to connect with the North Korea, the railway here. So he was born in you see three lines here. So middle line is a military demarcation line, and then the down here, the southern limit line, and there is North Korea, the northern limit line. So this is DMZ. So now we are third tunnel here, and you are going down the tunnel, and then you will get to from the North Korea only 170 to the tunnel. So South Korea, when we discovered this tunnel, we made the intersection tunnel to get to the actual tunnel. So this is the first tunnel, the South Korea made it. Now this tunnel, we have monorail. Sorry, the monorail is out of service. So the other way, we have to use walkway. So we have to walk down the South Korea tunnel 358 meters. So you have to walk down. This is big and wide but steep. And when you get to the end of the tunnel here, you will see the North Korea tunnel. So we call infiltration tunnel because for invasion they made it this one. So you can walk the North Korea tunnel 265 meters. So North Korea tunnel is flat but small and narrow. And when you get to the end of the tunnel here, we're only 170 meters from the North Korea.
But I think I should, if I go here, I'll be a soldier.
Tita Bo, there is a height requirement.
여기 오기 잘했네. 큰일 날 뻔했네요.
여기 잘했네.
Okay, we got it here. Thank you.
We're in Hongdae. We're looking for some view. Is that it? Nabusog ba ang lahat? Busog.
좋아요.
Sige, susubukan kita kay mama.
Tignan mo to, kung ginagawang katuwaan mga kapatid.
Di ba?
Yung bunso yung nananaway.
Oo nga, dahil sa kanya. Hindi na kinaya si Armani pa nananaway sa inyo. Iniwan na. Ma na ma?
Narurumi na si Janet. Nauumay na.
Nag-i-snow! Ay, may snow sa buhok ko. Ang dami na!
snow. Wow. Falling the snow. In Korea.
Okay, let's go inside. We're playing with the snow.
Picture tayo. Picture kami. Sa gitna.
Gitna?
Para kita yung ano, Seoul Tower. Kita yung Seoul Tower.
Okay, okay. Ikaw magano, dali ka.
Ay, sorry. Thank you, Lord. You're the best. With or without the snow, I'm happy.
Yeah,
This is just a bonus.
Yeah.
It's my first time.
Me too, it's my first time. First time kong makakita ng ganyan.
Grabe flakes talaga siya, no?
Babes, mag-gift na ako kay Nay. Alin po?
Mag-gift namin kay Nay.
Wow, what's
Parang
that?
blanket.
Sila din, sila din, sila din.
God! Oh my God!
Paano masasabi mo?
Parang
Video pala to. Wait lang, wait lang.
Masayang masaya ang asawa ko. GB, sige na. Hanapin mo na si Nina. Sana yung kanina.
Oh my God, may tape sila. May tape? May tape sila, tsaka CD? May tape
Yung
and CD
kanina
sila?
sana.
May tape and CD sila? Pero may tape po.
Ulit ko naman.
Tingnan mo. Tape.
Wala si Nina.
Dapat magkaganito yung ano, Bini. Hindi ko kalala tong mga to eh. Hindi ako makaano. Ito narinig ko to kay Beer, New Jeans. Magaganda ba yan? Hindi ko man naiintindihan yung sinasabi nila eh.
Si Ayo ba yan? Si Ayo ba yan?
Ano mga chocolate?
Nakakonsert lang doon sa Manila.
Ano pala? May option na naman siya.
ay, mga 5 plus.
Seven. Hi. Thank you. Thank you. Riding the ferry. Can you see there's a Philippine flag?
Yeah. Kamayo yung flag. Masalam tayo para hindi malam.
Sa loob mo. Hi.
Buti may araw.
Annyeonghaseyo.
It's like a
Ano si Abo? Oh, si Abo nag-interso na ata. Ano yan?
Yung bubong, ang tapad niya.
Gawa ng bubong? Coffee shop? Mag-coffee daw muna, sabi ni Mama. Libre niya daw. Ano to? Cherry nga ma, cherry blossom. Cherry na bulok. Gawa ng bubong, guys. Gusto mo ng picture, Bo? For me? Wow! Upo ako dito, upo ako dito. Mapipicture na kita dito, oh. Here's a mirage. Oh, dito sila nagko-concert.
Empty streets, but I kept searching for your trace in the dark. Losing myself in the endless memories of the end right from the start. You're an obsession.
I pass through the sunlight and the fog to the mountains to embrace. Through you, the valleys, through myself I pass through whatever continue to see. Basta parang gano'n. And then, look at the fountain! It's freezing! Ma! Anong masasabi mo? Malamig! Ha?
Malamig.
Woo!
Amazing.
Sabi ko, Ma, anong masasabi mo sa nag-yelong fountain?
Oh.
Sabi niya, amazing! Didn't hear. Ayan, F. Yup.
Empty streets, but I kept searching for your trace in the dark. Losing myself in the endless memories of the end right from the start. You're an obsession in my head, I can't forget your eyes. Your kisses burn my skin, I feel so empty inside.
Ay, dapat lumayo para kita yung legs.
Video yan.
Sakit na ng boots ko.
1, 2, 3.
Okay. Mga ampon! Bye, Nami Island. Ganon.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye, Nami Island.
Again, for our last meal here.
So hungry.
Parang nakakagulo kayo dyan. Hi guys!
Gutom kami, huwag kang magulo.
Sorry. Okay ba, Tito Jerry? How about you, Tita Aba?
Gutom din yan.
Yan na.
Ska po! Tanong araw.
Bye, Korea. Thank you.